Okay guys, so I'm just going to start us off right here. Remember, we're going to come back to our image over m times a, our fancy little triangle here. And what we're looking for, what we have, is our 600 times. So 600 times, and then you have 80 micrometers. That's what it tells us, right? The cell is 80 micrometers in length. So that's the actual size. And what we are looking for is how long will the drawing be in millimeters? So to do that, right, all I need to do is multiply 600 times 80. Well, we need to convert to millimeters, right? But do 600 times 80, that gives us 48,000 micrometers, right? But I want to know what my image is in millimeters. So my image in millimeters, if we remember, there's 1,000 micrometers, so 1, 2, 3, that gives us a size of 48 millimeters.